Good day. This distance education lesson is entitled How to Mash Up a YouTube Video into a Blackboard Discussion Board. This lesson is developed by Eric Fair for the Liberty University course EDUC 631. The first step involved is to open the discussion board and select the forum that you would like to create a post for. In this case, I'm going to select Forum 5. Next, you will create a thread by clicking on the box that says, wait for it, Create Thread. And that's it right there. This will open up a thread. You should then create a subject name for your thread, and it goes in this box right here. I'm going to entitle mine DB Forum 5 Reply. You should then fill in the text in the message section. The message section is right here that accompanies your video. You should place any information that you would like your classmates to see before watching the video at the top of the message. Then leave some space in the middle of your message for the video. After that, post any references that you want to include in your thread. You can do this after you embed the video if you like. This is just the order that I tend to do things in, but either way is fine. Next, you're going to click on the drop-down menu entitled Mashups. A mashup is simply a web application that combines multiple services into a single application. You can see that it says Mashups right there. In this case, combining a YouTube video with a Blackboard discussion board reply. The choices that you were given in the drop-down menu are Slide Share Presentation, Flickr Photo, and YouTube Video. So select YouTube Video and a new dialog box will appear. This is how you will search for the YouTube video that you have already made. So, type in the name of the video that you would like to insert into your discussion board thread into the search box. The video that I'm searching for is titled Online Course Development at Work, Topic 3. When you name your video, try to name it something that you will be able to find without too much trouble. If you just named it Reply Number 5, you'd bring back about 1 million search returns. The easiest way to minimize the returns that you will get will be to be specific. In the second drop-down menu, click Exact Phrase if you know the exact name of the video, then specify the language that the video is in. In this case, I'm using English, which is probably pretty obvious since that's what I'm speaking now, and then you'll click Go to get your search results. My search yielded 4 returns, and the one that I'm looking for is this first video. Next, you have 2 choices. If you're not sure if the displayed video is the right one, you can click the preview button and watch to see if it's the right one. To select the video and put it in the discussion thread, you'll click Select. This will open up a different dialog box that gives you some choices about how your video is displayed. As you can see, the name of the video is displayed right here along with the thumbnail version of your video. The first option is a drop-down menu that chooses how your video is displayed in the message thread. The most effective way to display the YouTube video on Liberty University's Blackboard discussion board is to choose the thumbnail option. Feel free to experiment with other options to see which option that you like the best. So choose thumbnail, and then you have 2 other choices. The Show YouTube URL option gives you the choice to show the web address or not with your video. I think it's always a good idea to include the address just in case someone has a problem seeing the video in the discussion board. If there are issues that cause the video not to play, your peers still have the web address that you can use to see the video on the YouTube website. So I choose Yes for Show YouTube URL. The next option is Show YouTube Information. This just shows the creator's username as well as the length of the video and when it was created. Again, this is just a personal preference choice. I choose to include it so viewers know how long it is before they open it. After you have your options selected, you simply click on the Submit button. Your video will then appear in your post, and this is what it will look like. Your viewers will need to click on the video in order to watch it. When your viewers click on the video, a new box will appear with the video player embedded in it. They will then be able to watch your video post without ever leaving the discussion board. They can then post comments to your post, hopefully good ones. This may seem like a lot of work to embed a video, but it really isn't very difficult. The more you do it, the easier it gets. Try it a few times and see if you like it. Hopefully you don't have any problems accomplishing your task, and you can use this in your future discussion threads. Good luck and happy posting.